Alright, our rear bumper cover is off. Let's see what we have here. First of all, we have this main electrical connector. This provides power to all electrical equipment and components on our cover, on our rear bumper. Right here, and you will see 6 of these. These are the parking sensors. Right here we have the rear fog light. Right here. And once we proceed, we'll see another parking sensor. As for the fog light, this is how it gets removed as well. This here is the kick sensor. This is how it looks, and this is the number. Once we proceed to this section, we'll see this opening here, and try to show you guys. Volvo actually left us the marking for the hitch and the electrical connector, which can be seen right here, which is great, because if you guys want to install the hitch, this is how you cut it. Once we proceed, we'll see another parking sensor, another fog light, another parking sensor, and this is a label here. And below we have part of the exhaust pipes. This is how it looks. We have 2 of these. The second one right here. And this is how the back of the bumper cover looks like. And this is our Volvo without the rear bumper cover. Underneath we have, first of all, this is the radar right here. Below we have the vent. This is a drainage hose. This is how it looks. The exhaust pipe. Of course, the bumper beam itself, right here. It's been held by 3 bolts. We've got 1, 2, and there is one underneath right here. This is the mount for the rubber door stoppers, which we removed previously. And as we proceed, we'll see this rubber thing. This can be removed if you install the wiring for the rear hitch. It will go through here. We have another one right here. On this side we have again the radar. This is our main electrical connector. Another vent here, and this is how our exhaust system looks like underneath right now. And this is what we have underneath the bumper in our Volvo XC40. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was informative. We'll see you in the next video.